Hey, what's up YouTube? MacGyver7 here. Today I'm going to go over the Lanmu alarm clock stand. All right, so what I have here is a attachment or an accessory for your Google Home Mini that pretty much will allow it to kind of look like a retro clock kind of feel. So they sent this over to me a couple days ago, and I thought I'd check it out and show you guys. This accessory is available on Amazon. I'll have all the links in the description for this accessory, but the goal of this accessory is just to kind of add an aesthetic to your Google Home Mini to kind of make it look cooler while it's on your nightstand or if it's on like a countertop or something like that. So let's go ahead and dive in and check it out. All right, guys, so I got my Google Home Mini out, so let's go ahead and dive right into this retro alarm clock stand by Lanmu. Lanmu's been around for quite some time. They're really big on Amazon. They have a lot of great products. I've kind of reviewed a couple of those things here on this channel, but check them out, guys. Go see what they're doing on Amazon. See if you got any products out there that you like. They do make some really good HDMI extension cables for the Fire TV device. So if you're following or checking out this video and you need that for your Fire Stick, it will work with the 4K as well. So they're definitely on there, and they're definitely pretty affordable as well. So I'll have a link in that for that in the description as well. So let's go ahead and dive right into this box and see what we got here. So I'm gonna cut that like that. All right, so the idea here is to give that retro clock feel for our Google Home Mini. All right, so here it is. All right. So right off the bat, it's a nice premium plastic, and these do spin, which is pretty cool. This is the green color. They have 3 different colors available. I believe they have there's like a red, kind of like a bright red color, this green color here, and then they have a blue, which is really cool as well. But my favorite color is lime green, so this is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and check it out. So it looks like there's 2 holes here as well. So for the cord, depending on how you want to set this up, you can either have the Google Home Mini cords coming out this one or this one here. So they've kind of thought about everything as far as the stand goes. As far as it standing up straight, we'll have to test that and see here in 1 second. All right, so let's see my Google Home Mini. I'm going to position my connector towards the top. All right, so I'm just going to push it down here. I think that's all I need to do. Sure, nice. Oh, pops right in. Okay, so it pops in, and oh, look, that's what it looks like. And let's stand it up. All right, so right off the bat, it does stand pretty well. Again, this is pretty much how you would position it. And again, you want to kind of slide it around, as you can see here at the top, to make sure that connector is available. So you may have to play around a little bit as far as positioning it the right way. All right, guys, so to actually take it out, let's say that you've purchased 2 different colors, and today you want to be blue, or if you want to be red, you can actually turn this over. Just kind of take your thumb and hold the plastic a little bit with the other hand, and just kind of slowly push it out. It is a bit snug, so be careful. This accessory is plastic, so it can break. All right, and unfortunately you won't be able to return this if you break it, but if you just push it out slowly, it comes right out, as you can see there. And then if you look at the top here in the Google Home Mini, you can kind of reposition the ports so that they actually in a better position. So I'm just going to slide mine over just a little bit like that, and then that looks really good. Yeah, all right, that's perfect. All right, and now you're good to go as far as it putting it back in, and all your ports are now available. All right, you can actually have this set up on your any desk or anything like that, and it kind of just adds a little aesthetic to your Google Home Mini. So that's really cool. So I like it. These are very affordable. It's a nice little piece to add, and a conversation piece as well. Like if you're at home or something like that in front of some people and just want to show off your Google Home Mini or something like that, it's pretty cool to have. I like it. I think it's really cool. So, but this is the Lanmu retro clock stand. It's on Amazon. I'll have links in the description for this actual product if you guys are interested. Also, because you guys are viewing it on my channel, they have given me a couple of coupon codes. So basically what happens if you go and buy it, you can actually use the discount code found in my description and get a percentage off of the total price. So that's also pretty cool. So thanks to Lanmu for that. But that's all I got for you guys today. I thought I'd share this video with you all. It's pretty nice accessory for the Google Home Mini. It's pretty sturdy once the Google Home is in there, and it stands pretty well. So I like it. I think it's really cool. This is a nice little nifty attachment for my Google Home Mini, and I'll be using this today. So thank you all for tuning in and watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please also comment below if you're thinking about getting one of these. Also, if if there's other products that you are interested in seeing from Lanmu, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But that's all I got for you guys today. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me to build this channel to something big. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.